Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to discuss about, what exactly is a Pandas series. You have all learned about, what exactly is a numpy. We know that numpy is basically used for storing similar data horizontally, right? And we can store it in different dimensions. So now, what if you want to store same one-dimensional array in a column format? That's where Pandas series comes into picture. Pandas series is one-dimensional labeled array that holds data of any type. It's similar to your single column in a Excel sheet. It just looks like this. You can store the information in a single column. So let me show you like how you can create your Pandas series. Very first thing, you have to import a library. So I'll just make use of import pandas aliases PD. Okay, very first important thing, import a library that is a pandas. Import pandas as PD. Then we'll start creating a series in order to store a value. So I'll just call PD dot series. S should be capital. And then you have to pass a list of values. I'll say like 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay, done. Can you see? We got a series. So we call this as a series. This is so interesting. You can see compared to our NumPy arrays. Here we are storing information in one single column. And also you can see the indexes, right? And also it is giving you the data type. And if you want to give an index, yeah, you can also give your own indexes as well using index equals. You can just give it like 101, 102, 103, and 104. Look, you can also change the index values as well. You might have a question, do we only store numerical values? No, you can store different values as well. I'll just call df is equal to pd dot series. Let me store certain names. I'll just pass names like, John, Mary, Rhythm. Okay, let me run and let me just call df. Can you see? All the names got stored in a single column vertically. We call it like a Pandas series. So now the question is, in a real world, how data will be stored? Will it be stored in a column format? Can we store multiple values in a series? I mean, multiple columns in a series. And also we don't have a headers, right? So these are all limitations of a series. The first limitation is you can have only one column of data. It allows just like one dimension. But in a real world, we have to store multiple columns together, but series will not support. So that's where we have a concept called as a pandas data frame. So in the next video, I'll explain about what exactly is a pandas data frame, how to create a data frame using different options. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.